When you think about everything that you really need to have success in online business, above all things, this one is paramount. If you don't have it, you're going to fail from the jump, from the start. You might as well go ahead and close the book because it's over. Kenny Smith is saying, it's over.
It's over! It's over, ladies and gentlemen!
What is this thing? What do you got to do? What do you got to have? It's simply this: attention. Now, if you're a person like me, who's a little bit more reserved, more shy, doesn't care to have everybody in their business, everybody talking about them, would rather just be to yourself, you're gonna have to get through it. You're gonna have to get over it. You're gonna have to learn to grow and fight your way past that. Because the reality is, if nobody knows about you, nobody's gonna even be able to think about paying you. Now, the reality is, in business, we try to overcomplicate things. But I'm going to show you how simple this actually is. So I'm going to draw some stuff up for you real quick. You need attention. Okay. So what do you do with attention? The goal with attention is to get your ideal customers. Let's just say these are some of your ideal customers right here. And then this nice little place. Let's just say this is your store. Huh? I mean, let's just simplify it. Business, whether online or offline, this is what we're trying to do. We're trying to get these people, our ideal customers, attention to where what they'll actually do is find their way into the door. And then at that point, it's just a simple yes or no. Hey, we have this service, we have this product. Do you want to buy it from us? Yes or no? And then, based on the customer's needs, if you sell properly, they'll do business with you. But once you get people's attention, you get them to the place you're trying to get them. It's a simple yes or no. Now, this picture I just drew is really an oversimplification. So if we were to consider this in online business, I mean, it really wouldn't be any different though. You know who your ideal customers are right here, and you still have to get them into your store or your landing page or customer journey, what I like to call a funnel. And the actual strategy for doing that is going to be a little bit different, and we're going to dive into that in later videos. But here's the mental shift that you need to make if you want to have success online. You have to be prepared to get uncomfortable. You have to be prepared to start doing things to get attention. Now, there are certain types of attention that your business needs to grow, but there's also certain types of attention that you absolutely want to avoid with your life. We're talking legal problems, we're talking jail, we're talking all that kind of stuff. You want to stay away from those. Those really bad negative headlines really aren't that great for you. So stay away from those. Those are PR disasters. Now, the attention we're really talking about is marketing. This is the idea of getting your customers' attention. It's marketing. It's a beautiful art. When you're trying to get your ideal customers' attention, there's a few things you need to figure out. Number one, who they are. Number two, what result you want to get them. Number three, where they're spending their time. That's a big one. And number four, what is it that will actually get them to enter your world? What bait, per se, can you use to get them to have that first bit of contact with you and get that first yes from them? Does that make sense? Something very, very small on the low end, that it doesn't take a lot of power, per se, really a lot of thought for them to take action and buy, just so they can know, like, and trust you. And perhaps it's not even a matter of them buying. If you can provide value in some form or fashion, some kind of free value, free content, free information, free course, whatever it may be, to help them achieve their goals and get their desired results. The reality is, if you're willing to give and help your customers out just a little bit to begin with, they are going to be more inclined to do business with you further along the line. It's building relationships. It's not just getting attention. You got to have attention. That's key in this, but you also want to build relationships with these people that you are getting their attention. Does that make sense? Get the attention of your ideal customers. You got to have that. And then once you have that attention, figure out how can I start building a positive relationship with my ideal customers that will help them grow and get the results that they desire. All right. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to figure out how you can better effectively market your small business online, I've got a free resource for you that you can check out right now in the link in the description below. It's called the Fundamentals of Online Marketing course. You can get that at fundamentalsofonlinemarketingcourse.com/free course. It's for you. It's for free. I made it. I spent quite a bit of time and effort putting that together for you. Go ahead and get it and start taking action and start getting the attention of your ideal customers. I'll catch you in the video tomorrow.
It's over! It's over, ladies and gentlemen!